Hello everyone, today we continue our class. Today we talk about the Chinese character with Chai and Can. It's two sections. Okay, in Chai there are four characters. In first tone there's two, second tone Cai. This is Chai, this is Chai, okay? We also talk about this Chai. See, in the first tone there is one, okay, Chan. Second tone Chan is eight characters. In third tone Chan, the four characters. The Chan, the first tone has one character, okay. So from the Chan is shape, okay. So his left part means, okay, this is thick. So this part means head. Okay, this is head. So his meaning means head shaking because of fear. Okay, head shaking because of fear. Head shaking because due to nerve stimulation. Okay. So exact meaning means lips trembling. Okay. This is the Chan. What is Chan? It's a shovel. Okay. So his left part is gold. Okay. So the right part is production processing. Okay. So his meaning is agriculture, tools, okay, flat white, okay, shovel, like shovel. Third meaning with a irons to cut, okay, black wiring equipment to cut. Second meaning shovel. This is Chan. See, this character has two parts. Okay, outside is a gate, a window. Okay, this means to push. Okay, so his meaning means hand push the window to make the room light, spacious. Okay, the second meaning animated the program. Okay, to make the print of it. To make the view clear, okay. Chan. This is another Chan. It means produce. See, this top part means the seeing, okay. It's a hunting, farming experience. So the bottom part means health, vegetable generation. So they use the experience to cultivate crops, okay, to produce. Hunting, okay. So his first meaning is ancient use of experience to farming, okay. Second meaning produce, manufacturing. Third meaning birth, children, verb. First meaning crops, agriculture, produce, product. Fifth meaning property, wealth. This is another Chan. See, this left part means words. See, right part means a prison. Okay, so it says something make a trap. So it means to attack somebody. To defamatory somebody by say something behind him, okay, so may he go to prison, okay, Chan. This is Chan. Okay. So his left part means worship, pray. His right part means sing, war. Okay. So his means pray, to dispute, to give peace. Okay. To stop the war. Okay. This is Chan. Pray to stop the war, grant peace. Second meaning, peace, conversion. So, to change the king, okay, peacefully, okay. Third meaning, aloof, meditation. Aloof. This is done. This means single, okay. This is done, okay. This is a weapon, okay. So this is like a stone, okay. So put a stone on a weapon, shoot somebody, okay. The ancient arms, okay. Shoot somebody. His second meaning is projectile, okay. Third meaning, unique, one. Okay. First meaning, simple, not complicated construction, constitution. Fifth meaning, one layer of clothing, okay. Piece of paper. Sixth meaning, odd. Seventh meaning, prefecture, alone, uniquely. Okay. This is another Chan. You see, this Chan is meaning cicada, okay, insects. This means the cicada, okay, cicada. Chan. This is another Chan, okay. This Chan has two parts. Left part means water streams. Right part means weakness. So he means a stream slowly flowing. Okay, slowly flowing. Chan. Okay. Another Chan. This is another Chan. What's the meaning of this Chan? It means wrapped. Okay. Wrapped. This is like silk. Okay. A coil with wear, okay. This is Chan, another Chan. Wood with wear, okay. Second meaning, control, deal with. This is another Chan. His left part like a female. His right part means aesthetics or peace, tranquility. Okay, so he means beauty, with peace and quiet beauty. Okay, this is Chan. This is another Chan. Okay, this is another Chan. See, we talked this before. This is mother. This is weak. Three child, like multiple birth, give birth to a child. So the child is very weak, okay, because of malnutrition. Okay, another Chan. This is a Chan. His left part means words, okay, negotiating. His right part means moveless, unstoppable, okay. So he means to sweet talk, okay, flatter, okay, constantly flatter. Okay. This is Chan. Okay. This is another Chan. This is Chan. Okay. See, the left part is hand, right part is paw. Okay, So in the Paul somebody to help him work, okay? So Paul outlay the children, okay, to help them stand, okay? Pull around, okay? Mix, second meaning means mixed, okay? This is high, okay? This is animal, this is high. See? Jackals, okay? This is high. So left part means beast, right part means trees, branches. So he means, okay, beast. He means jackals, okay. So this is try, okay. This is another try. This is another try. So his top is underfoot, means underfoot. His bottom means wood. So we use the underfoot, so split piece of wood as a fuel, okay? This is a try. Firewood, this is try, okay? This is a try, okay? This is a try. So this is try. His left part means a goat, like a goat. His right part means fox, okay? Grasp is with a finger. So his meaning is a goat hair fork. So ancient women use it to clip the hair, okay? To bundle the hair, okay? Like a jewelry, okay? Okay, goat clips hair fork. Okay, second meaning women wear expensive hair fork. Try. This is cha, okay? So we have talked about this before. This is a corn, this is grass, this is applings. So they use the handhold thermal instrument to rub the corn to make it shrouds, okay? And they have other meanings, okay? Okay, thank you for watching.